Hey shoppers, today we have a handheld, fast charging, cordless vacuum. It takes 2 hours to fully charge and it runs for 45 minutes. This is great for your car, your stairs, small household vacuum needs. It has 2 modes, a medium and a high mode, right here by simply moving this channel. It has 2 accessories that it comes with. A stand, it sits nicely right here on the stand. There is a hole in the bottom, it just clips right in for charging. It has a nice long cord. This one is really good for getting corners, the stair edges, or you can flip this up and it has a brush so you can get your car in between the seats. This one has a flatter, wider, so if you need to vacuum a rug or the top of your stairs, this will have more space. It does come with a replacement filter and an extra little brush. When you're ready to clean it out, it's very simple. You just click this red button. This comes apart. You can easily pop this out for cleaning. And you clip this button to pop this open for cleaning. Great if you have pets.